Ruptured disc repair in the low back, safe non-surgical treatment, and things to avoid. A ruptured disc, akin to a jelly donut being squeezed, can cause pain, numbness, or weakness, often due to aging, physical strain, trauma, or repetitive activities. While surgery might seem like the immediate solution for a ruptured disc, it comes with risks like nerve damage, infections, and the potential for recurrent herniation. Natural non-surgical treatments, including targeted exercises, chiropractic care, acupuncture, massage therapy, and a healing-focused diet, offer a safer and often more effective path to recovery. Beware of pitfalls like over-relying on over-the-counter remedies, believing in the myth of prolonged bed rest, and misusing heat and cold therapy. Always prioritize informed decisions in your healing journey. Every year, countless individuals grapple with the pain and discomfort of a ruptured disc in their lower back. The immediate assumption, surgery is the only way out. But before you jump to that conclusion, let's explore a world where natural, non-surgical treatments reign supreme. In the newest article published by HealYourBulgingDisc.com, we'll unravel the mystery of ruptured discs, delve into why surgery isn't always the golden ticket, and introduce you to a range of non-surgical treatments that have transformed lives. We'll also debunk myths, warn you of common pitfalls, and spotlight the dangers of certain over-the-counter remedies. And for those hungry for comprehensive guidance, Get Your Life Back, the ultimate guide to healing a herniated disc, is your go-to resource. Prepare to challenge everything you thought you knew about ruptured disc repair. Visit the link in the video description to read the full article today.